backup assist on the BMW iDrive. We got 45 feet in. We're going to turn the wheel a little bit so that way you can really see how well this system works. Now we're going to put it into reverse and we're going to let the car do everything it's supposed to do. Now it will turn the way you turn the steering wheel, and it will go to the full extent. We did almost 50 feet. We're at 35 feet. So the recording of it is excellent. Good distance. You just have to really hold the brake to ensure. It's already letting me know that the route is almost over, and now it completes. You get the red ambient lighting on the steering wheel and the beeping. Thank you for watching. Stop by BMW of Wesley Chapel and talk to the Genius team for any questions.